Want to live in a student accommodation straight out of a Pinterest board? Welcome to HERE Tuscaloosa, a sun-bathed, luxurious haven of your dreams. Boasting of opulent 1 to 5 bedroom apartments and spacious studios, HERE is perfectly tailored to modern student lifestyle. Snooze away in the cozy bed. Lock in for focused sessions in the study rooms. Tackle heaps of laundry with the washer and dryer. Skip fights with roommates over the dishes, and let the dishwasher strike it off the list. Power through in the sleek fitness center, then sweat it out in the sauna. You can even bring your furry friends along at this pet-friendly property. There's even a home for your vehicles with secure covered parking. With electricity included in the rent, there's no additional bills to stress over. Located on Thomas Avenue, the University of Alabama is just a stroll away. And College of Continuing Studies, the University of Alabama, just short drive away, so you'll never miss a class. Experience quality living by booking your spot at HERE Tuscaloosa now with amberstudent.com.